If you have a Control4 system in your home, there's a lot of really simple things that you can do to customize it yourself. One of the really cool things you can do is actually add a photo to the background of any room in your house. In fact, this is my actual dining room. This is a photo of my actual family room, kitchen, so on and so forth. It's really simple to do. First, you go to your Control4 app on your smartphone. Once in the app, click the top left-hand corner menu bar and look for Settings. Once in Setting, go to My Control4 System at the bottom, look for Wallpaper, and then choose the room you want to change the background in. Once you have the room, there are different options of colors you can choose, or click the plus sign on the left-hand side. Click Take a Photo, and then turn your phone landscape so you can take the best photo of that room. Click Use Photo if you're happy with it, and then pinch or zoom to pan in on the image that you want to display for that room. Then click the button on the top right-hand side, the check mark, and it will add the wallpaper to that room. Once that's done, it will upload to all of your Control4 devices in your home, and you go into that room and it'll be the pretty background that you chose the photo for.